I am sharing a powerful case study from a client in the premium glass hardware and fencing niches. So now in terms of what we did, we have completely revamped their Google AdWords strategy from the ground up. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amy and in today's video I am sharing a powerful case study from a client in the premium glass hardware and fencing niche, a brand that sells high-end products like frameless pool fencing, balustrades, stainless steel posts and all kinds of fixing accessories for modern residential and the commercial projects. So now when they first came to us, they were already running the Google ads, but the performance was far from satisfying. They were spending roughly $21,200 a month, but only generating revenue of around $10,000 in terms of the sales. If you are even remotely familiar with the paid advertising, you know that's a red flag. That's not just the underperformance, it's losing money every single month. They were frustrated. The business owner shared with us that most of the campaigns were handled by their previous agency with very little strategy. They had a few search campaigns running and some smart campaigns, but most of them they were just set up and forget things. No real testing, no proper structure, and worst of all, no clarity on where the leads or the sales were coming from. When we dove in for a complete account audit, and then here is what we found. Search campaigns were targeting broad non-commercial keywords, terms like glass ideas or the pool fencing inspiration that had tons of traffic but no intent to buy. There was no shopping campaign active even though they had hundreds of ready to order products with the SKU based inventory. Phone calls were not being tracked even though most of their customers preferred to call the team directly for the quotes or the install support. No remarketing strategy, no customer segmentation, and worst of all, a total lack of campaign optimization based on the audience behavior. This meant they were burning through the budget, appearing in the irrelevant searches, and missing every opportunity to re-engage with their warm audiences. So now in terms of what we did, we have completely revamped their Google AdWords strategy from the ground up. First thing first, the campaign structure redesign. We have started by creating a well-structured account setup. Instead of putting everything into one or two general campaign, we broke it down by the product categories. For example, for the glass panels, spigots, gate hardware, and so on. Price bracket. Some users were browsing budget options while the others were looking for luxury solutions. The next is the buying intent. We have separated installed focus users from product only buyers. This allowed us to personalize the user journey and drive more qualified traffic to the right landing pages. Step 2 is the Performance Max campaign launch. We then moved to a Performance Max campaigns, the new powerhouse from Google that lets you advertise across search, display, YouTube, Gmail, and discover using one campaign. But we didn't just turn it on and walk away. We ran multiple asset groups, each tailored for a different angle. So let me walk you through the strategy without getting too technical. We have launched an asset group with no creative assets, no audience targeting, and no search themes to let Google's algorithm explore and learn freely. Then we built a remarketing focused group where the creatives were designed around urgency. Get 10% off today only, same day shipping before 12 p.m. Free quote available now. These hooks brought back the users who had previously visited the website but had not converted. Another asset group targeted the brand users using the brand name as a theme to make sure we owned all the high intent traffic. Because their products are premium priced, we have created an asset group targeting the luxury shoppers, which is a Google curated audience of people who browse or buy high-end products. We have also targeted the users browsing competitors' website, a smart move to convert buyers in the research phase. For products that are gender or the age specific, like the hardware for family safe pools, we have tested demographic based targeting for the homeowners aged 35 plus. To ensure complete keyword coverage, we have tested another group combining search themes with no assets to collect data. And lastly, we have launched asset rich groups with all the visuals, headlines and the call to actions to maximize the placement across YouTube and the display network. The key here was not just launching the PMAX but launching it strategically. Each asset group acted like a mini campaign with its own messaging, creatives and the audience. The next is the website and the conversion tracking fixes. On the back end, we have implemented the enhanced conversion tracking using the Google Tag Manager. So now every call, code form or installed request was tracked as a conversion. We have also added custom audiences in the Google Analytics so we could understand who was spending more time on the product pages versus the service pages. This has helped us funnel the right leads to the right campaigns. The next is the creative assets and reporting. Our in-house team created stunning videos and image banners that matched the brand premium look. These were used across Performance Max placements to increase the engagement on the mobile, YouTube and the Gmail. And because the client was data hungry, we have shared weekly performance dashboards outlining everything, that is the cost per sale, cost per lead, top performing categories and so on. This has helped them see what was working in the real time. So now in terms of the result, so after all the restructuring and the testing, the results were absolutely phenomenal. We have actually reduced their ad spend from $21,000 per month to just $15,320 per month. The sales jumped to $223,000, which means a ROAS of over 14.55. We have started generating 112 qualified leads every month, including the install requests and the call-ins, something they had never tracked before. But more importantly, the business owner told us something that meant even more than the numbers. For the first time, we understand how our ads are actually driving revenue. I can finally scale with the confidence. So now, if you are in a similar industry selling glass, hardware, pool fencing or high ticket home products, you need to know about this. Google Ads today is not just about the choosing the keywords and setting the budget. The Performance Max landscape has changed everything. You need intelligent asset groups, accurate tracking and deep audience understanding to win. If your current campaigns are not performing or your agency is not delivering the results, you deserve better. We offer free account audit, monthly growth plans and the full service management, including banner and the video creatives designed for your niche. If you want to scale your product sales and service leads just like this client, reach out to us. You can contact us on WhatsApp or on our website as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this case study valuable, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comment. See you in the next one.